Guys, he say, please take a good picture
Yeah,
and send it to them and see how it look like in the nighttime.
I got you.
But
Absolutely.
Oh, the people, the Christmas people.
yeah, the Christmas.
Yeah.
This place is really full of the Christmas stuff.
A lot of material. Well,
Oh.
they're having containers come off every day.
Yeah,
How did the wreath look?
we don't take it yet because we already started working on this one. It's in the boxes and then.
Morning, guys. How was the hotel last night? Good?
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah, I've stayed there before. I like it.
Yeah.
The Starbucks right next door.
Yeah. The breakfast very nice.
Huh? Yeah, the breakfast.
Uh-huh.
They got plenty of food there.
Yeah.
Fresh fruit, pancakes, waffles,
Cereal, yeah.
oatmeal, all
Yeah.
kind of stuff. Hot tea, coffee.
Everything.
Yep. All right. We're back up. It's Christmas. We're back up at the Christmas installation in Fort Washington, PA. Guys are up on the roof, tied off up here.
Which way Nordy went?
Oh, he's not here? Hey, Donnie. Just thinking about this last night after we left. If we leave the clips, you know, on the gutters,
Yes.
all the way around, leave the clips there, but change them. I wonder if we can turn the light from here to up, all the way around. I know it would take some work, but I think it would look a lot better.
Okay. Yeah, we can do it.
Can we experiment and see what it look like?
Yeah.
Because being a universal clip, I think we can change it and then it go around the whole house.
Yeah.
Get up on the roof and just change them all. But can you do it once somewhere down here and take a look at it so we know it's going to work or not? Along here?
this?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's take a look and see how it'll work. I think it really looked better. Morning, Julio. Julio, how are you? Hey, Edwin, we're going to leave the clips across, but all across the bottom. We're going to turn the lights up all the way around the house. See how the lights are pointed out along the bottom? We're going to use the same clip, but flip it so the lights are all like this across. Julio, we're going to leave the clips on the gutters all the way around, but we're going to change the light, flip it around in the inner in the holder so the lights are like this all the way around. All right, we're going to add some garland to this post. We can come off roof. How much garland you got?
We already got 5 boxes.
Okay, can I show you something? I was talking to Lance this morning, and we want to do, see that post over there? I'll have Nordy do that, but we want to swag this wall here, this piece, and then that. So basically, on the outside route, we'll go around. I'll have, I don't know where Nordy is, but I'll have him do this piece, like we did the others yesterday, that column. But we can do that little swag, stop, and then come this way. I was telling Rudy, we'll have Nordy do that column. Him and Kevin, when they get here, little piece there, this way, and down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Screw in there.
But we can come on the back side of it, probably for power. I'm sure there's outlet in here somewhere in the gravel where we can drop down wire. Huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we can use that for that piece. Then we can come around back side, you know? So we can do that piece there. Can we sneak in there somewhere? Yeah. So we can sneak in here like they did here, right here at my finger. Do that piece, then come around the back side, somewhere or another, and sneak in around there. And that'll be good. That'll look nice.
Take a look at the roof line. They pulled some of it off and put it on the metal roof, but there's not much of a lip for it to grab onto. The clips are pretty loose.
If we do it my way.
Yeah.
Now, I still wanted to keep it on the gutter, you know, out here, but I want to know if we can flip it up. Follow me? So I don't want to move the clip want the clip on the gutter. It's like you have it everywhere, but I was trying to get it look-wise so the lights are pointed up. Any way to do that out here? You know what I'm talking about, Julio? So I want to keep the clip out here so we can keep it straight. Nah, that won't be no good. No. So let's keep what we got then. But you understand what I was getting at?
Yeah.
So like, see how these are pointed that way? I want to keep the clip on the gutter out here, okay? But then have the light up. Instead of having the light like this, have the light up. And that's what I was wondering last night, if there's a way we could do that. Nah, that wouldn't work either. Yeah, and I still want it on the gutter so we can keep a straight line. Follow me? So let's leave what we have right now.
Okay.
But I wanted to experiment with that and see. Because if it was easy to go along today and go clip, clip, out, boom, 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 then we would do it. But I guess if that would have been that easy, you guys would have done that yesterday.
Or, yes, I'm ready for the strap right there.
No.
Yeah.
No. Imagine strapping 1,000 lights down.
Yeah.
No.
That's a lot.
No. Leave it what you got.
Okay.
I wanted to see though. Hey, Nort, let me show you over here. We're going to do this column. So I was just showing this to Rudy. We're going to do that column over there.
Okay.
And then we're going to swag here along the front, stop, along here, stop, on the outside of both that, coming around. You know, with garland and lights, what Rudy's doing. So Rudy knows about doing this. But if you and Kevin can do this here, and maybe go up, tie that into there. Is this pre-lit?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want to do this column.
Okay.
Morning, Kevin.
Morning, Mr. Hwy.
You want to start looking at these wreaths?
Yeah.
Well, you want to get Norty with us?
We can pull them out real quick and get the bows on them. Try the bows real quick.
Morning, Angel. How are you? Good? Hotel good last night? Donnie! Yeah, 30-inch. Lights in it.
Oh, put it out, right?
They look good.
Okay. One a little higher or in the middle down.
Yeah. It'll look good. Norty's gonna start working on them next. All right, let's over here and take a look at this. What we got cooking today. Getting this back railing illuminated. Make sure you get it all fluffed out, Donnie. Make sure you guys get it all fluffed out nice.
Yeah.
Might be easier like the guys did up there, put it all on the ground first. Put all the lights on, then came up. Might be easier to do it that way. Huh?
Hot today.
Yeah, it definitely feels good. All right, I'm gonna go over here and see what's going on up front on this other piece. So we got a 48-inch wreath here,
Yep.
30 there,
60 up here.
60 there, two 30s up the front.
Yep.
Oh, I know what we want to look at. Then we want to put another 30 on this front wall over here where we're just talking about adding that extra swag. That Lance, remember what Lance mentioned to us this morning?
Yeah, the
But
wall.
it looked like in this wall. Just wondering if the wreath will look good there. On the front side over here, other side of our truck. On that front piece when you come in driveway. I'm wondering if that would look good or not. I don't know. I don't know if I like that or not. Yeah, that might not look good. Unless we wanted to do one like right here. Nah, I don't know about that.
Maybe some bows.
Nah.
I don't think there's room. It'd be too much to put a wreath and the garland. Maybe bows on the garland where they swag up.
Maybe a wreath there illuminated. That could be.
But how are we gonna mount it?
I didn't get that far. I'm just thinking of ideas.
I would. But
Nordy's magical. Put a 30-inch wreath here, lights and a bow.
Okay.
See? Done. But no holes in the stone.
Okay.
There's your job for the next 30 minutes. If you accept this mission, you and Kevin accept this mission, you have 29 minutes remaining to pull this job off. If you pull this job off, you will get lunch today at no charge.
Okay. Well,
And you get the opportunity to go back home to Maryland this afternoon.
You said 30.
30.
40.
We gotta put some lights in it.
Okay.
Get nice out here.
Yes.
A lot of traffic this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We ran into a whole lot of traffic today, more than yesterday. Did you eat a good breakfast this morning?
Yeah, I think so because we don't eat nothing and yes, only we gotta wake up and we gotta go there.
You didn't eat a breakfast?
Oh my
That place got all kind of food. Morning, Jonathan. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You having a better day than yesterday, my friend?
Always another better day.
Good?
Yep.
All right.
Always,
All right.
always.
All right. That's good.
It depends on
I
us.
see a smile on this morning. Yesterday you were kind of. That's good. That's good. Remember what we talked about yesterday? How many feet you got here, Root? You got everything you laid out for what you need?
For the side right here.
So you're all good?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need some for over here. We got more over here, right? For over this wall.
No, we don't have it more. It's 5 boxes.
Well, what's all that? Oh, UPS hadn't come yet, though, right?
That's the other
Have you
stuff
seen
here.
UPS?
No.
Or I mean,
That's
FedEx?
the one we are bringing in yesterday.
Is that
the one that got lights and then.
that has lights? But we have FedEx coming too, right?
Yeah, we just don't know.
What time?
Time exact.
What? How much material we got here? Can take a look.
Yeah, we'll pull it out.
Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.